Mr. and Mrs. Thakur. So in this story, two persons get married, and these two persons are not the right persons for each other to get married. But eventually, what happens? Do they live together forever or not? This what makes the book interesting. So Neil Thakur and Naira Sharma are at cafe. Naira says to Neil that she loves him more than her own life. Neil doesn't believe her, and he even disapproves Naira. Asia does a presentation. Asia does a presentation in office. Neil debate with her. Now they both are going to work together. At their engagement, Neil drags Asia at stage, and then he makes teasy comments. Neil thinks that she will get annoyed by all this, as Neil also doesn't want this marriage. Neil give honest comments to Asa's new ideas, though he thought not to. Neil and Asia go for a trip for conference. Now from this new part of the story begins. Neil helps Asia in work, and he protects her in party from Rohan. Now Neil and Asia start more talking and chatting. Talking about Neil's character, his character was before confusing, and Asia also was about to say no for each and everything to Neil. But then these characters are changed positively, and what happens next? Do they live together forever or not? For knowing this, you need to read the book. Jean Angel. So, in this story, there is king and queen. Their future king and queen actually, Roger and Rena. So, their sweet conversations, like how Roger says that he is helping people due to his royal blood, and how Rena says that she will be a good future queen. There are some more characters in this book that are Nath, Shyam and Tara and Jean. Shyam and Nath worked in the palace before. Tara asks Nath about his and Shyam's friendship and why Shyam killed himself, because she says that Jean is Shyam's son, and they want to protect Jean. Tara, Nath and Jean locked themselves in apartment for Jean's safety. Jean talks with Angel. He is under meditation treatment. Jean runs away out of home, but then Jean comes back. Also, Roger and Rena go to the study library. They go there to help Zesha. Now they found there a book. In this book, there are the past, future, and current of the Zesha. But there are the pictures. The way book says the story through pictures is wonderful. And then what all events happen in the story or in the book, for that you should read this book. This book has easy language to understand, and you can read it. It has interesting story, it has different story. So this is a different kind of book that I read. In this book, it's a story about lawyer. It's a story about law. Alex is a lawyer and he saves his 3 lives, Mia, Kyla and Jack. So in this story, Mia is in trouble because of her husband. She runs away with the help of her boss Anna with her children. She has foster family. She runs away to her stepbrother, but she's again in trouble. Now Alex has some friends and he plays football, basketball every Thursday with his friends. Mason is one of his friends and Peg is his girlfriend. Mason and Peg live in an apartment, and in this apartment Mia is also there. So Alex wins a case and Mason, Peg, Alex and all friends has party at Mason's home, and between this party they all run to help Mia. There Alex says Mia that he will help her and no one will harm the children, and also he will fight the case for her. And now Peg and Mia are sisters. That is what they get to know. So Peg, Mia, Alex, Mason and all now stay together, and Alex brings toys, food, etc. for children. And then what happened? So for that you should read the book. This is a good book. This is a book which represents that how one helps others and how one can have courage to fight in difficult situations. Nirvi and Avinash are strangers. They are companions during flight. They behave good with each other. Avinash being very supportive to Nirvi. Avinash asks for a date to Nirvi. For that Nirvi says yes. Avinash supposed to go to Hyderabad, but he chooses to go to Bangalore with Nirvi. Aeroplane's engine is damaged. Avinash keeps his arm around Nirvi. Avinash and Nirvi go together to Bangalore. Avinash drives the car. At night, they stay at elder people's home to get rid of robbery with them. Avinash talks about politics to Mr. Challa. Avinash drops Nirvi to her grandmother's home. It's a village where there is a celebration. Avinash's parents and Nirvi's parents and her grandmother says her to meet Kishore for her marriage, and Nirvi's father also working with him. Now Kishore is none other than but Avinash. Then Avinash and Nirvi gets engaged, and then they get married happily after forever. So in today's video, I reviewed some of the books. If you like these books, surely read it. And if you people want me to review some of the books in my next video, comment below. That's it for my this video. Thank you. See you.